I got the fish jumping up like a jack. You can go ask around, yeah, they tapped in. Yeah, when 12 put me over, I had a little setback, but we relaxed and we back in. Come and get you a P or O, I ain't win nothing less if you do it.
If you know, you know. This is 96 Caprice lower dash with the iPad mount. iPad going up here. Heater controls going right there behind it. This is a cutout for a fault meter. I can't remember what's exactly going right there. But right now, there's something slight. Yeah, about to add some more little body work. Put some finishing touches on it. No, I ain't posting in a while. Here y'all go. Alright, there you go. See, it's still dry. Certain spaces. But still pretty smooth. There's a crack right there. I ain't do that, but we're gonna stay right there. I'm trying to get y'all when it's painted and all dry, but y'all see it. A bit thin and look factory. I ain't do these little cuts though. I just put it in. Alright. It's painted, got a couple of runs in it. And you see that still crack still right there. But this is it for now. Next time y'all see it, I'll try to get them to put a video in it. Could have been better, but I did this shit for free, so you get what you get, don't have a fit. Alright, y'all can see it. Look like I might have to do a little bit more to it. I don't know what the hell. Gonna go right, what you can put right there. Right there, I might just fiberglass over them. I might get them to move them underneath the bottom. But shit, y'all can see it. Some motherfucker iPad screen broke, but it's in there.
I'm for sure packing. Before I start rapping, I had my phone ringing and my dough swimming, trapping.